Hello and welcome to this video. I am a Make.com certified specialist by Make.com at the advanced level. This is a simple and basic automation that you can download in the description below as a blueprint and apply it to your own Make.com account straight away and start automating your X posts, which was formerly Twitter. Okay, so this automation will completely change your content workflow and how your content looks like and how your content is made. You can literally just set up X accounts and put those accounts on auto post with this automation. Okay, you can just get AI to post for you. You can just get AI to produce content for you. Why not? No manual work. Okay, this can even generate income and revenue. Before we get started, I just want to say this is an extremely basic automation that took me a few minutes to actually make. If you want to see something extremely advanced and see what I'm really capable of, please click the link below to my portfolio and you will find a 30-minute video in my portfolio of me demonstrating this ginormous AI engine that I have created. And this is spectacular, and this will show you truly what Make.com is truly capable of. Now, let's get into this basic automation. First of all, let me show you that it works, okay? As you can see, it is posting. This is character aware and has shortening logic and ensures the post stays within the strict limits of 280 characters. This is if you're on the basic X account membership. If you have X Premium, you can have 25,000 characters. So it's dependent on what type of account you have. But I'm just on basic. Okay, see, it's already posted. I will explain to you what buffer is. Okay, now let's just have a look. Let's just refresh this really quickly. Rakito is my test account where I post all my tests on, as you can see, 24 seconds ago. Okay, now as you can see here, it has posted a post, so it works. Okay, that's the main thing. Let me just explain to you now really quickly what buffer is. Since May, I think it was either May or April, I can't remember exactly, but as of May or April, you cannot use X's native modules anymore on Make.com. They have been removed. Okay, so Instagram has their native module, so Facebook has their own native module, LinkedIn has their own native module, but X used to, but now it doesn't anymore because X has changed their legislation or their contract, their terms and conditions and policies. They've just changed everything because Elon Musk has come in and changed Twitter, and now you can't use X's APIs in Make.com. So we have to use a third-party platform. It's all good. We can still post to X. So if you go to buffer.com and set up a Buffer account and connect your X account to Buffer, and then download the get the Buffer module in Make.com and log into your Buffer account that you just made in buffer.com and connect it. As you can see, I have done that here. You can post to X via this third party. Okay, problem solved. Now, this creates a category or keyword, should I say. You can adapt this and use your own prompt injection skills to customize this. Download the blueprint and you can customize this prompt yourself. This is just set to artificial intelligence and it outputs categories in that topic. Okay, as you can see, it has outputted this AI ethics and governance. This is just a link, but it's not actually necessary in this because I haven't told it to add a link. This creates the prompt. Okay, see, I haven't told it to add a link in here, so actually this is unnecessary. You can just say add link in post at the bottom, add this, okay? And if you wanted to do that, you could just map it out and now it will have the link, okay? Wonderful. And then you just have to have a little example. Rakito.ai. Okay. And hey, what is that? You normally have to have HTTP. I think it's like this. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Or is it the other way around? Yeah, I'm correct. Okay. So it'd have to be like that actually. So let me just change that here like that. There we go. Job done. So now it would actually have the link in there. I mean, we could actually test that out now for you guys. I'll just save this, okay, save that there and just test it out, okay. I'm going to show you a bit of prompt engineering right here, okay. So this creates the prompt, that will send it to X. Let's have a look. Okay, let's refresh this. There we are. We have the link, okay. Now, use this, transform your X content, okay, automize your X accounts, okay, have them on auto, create as many as you want. You have the key, you have the secret, download the blueprint, and thank you for watching this video.